Right now, there's politics that's taken over that very event as we are speaking of. It is the BJP that's now gone all guns blazing at the TMC. And with that, they have come out to, in fact, really attack the TMC government as well. Rajiv Sinha joining me from the BJP. Rahul Sinha joining me from the BJP at this given point to, in fact, express the party stance and what exactly has gone down. Rahul ji, हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये जो पूरा एपिसोड हम अभी विटनेस कर रहे थे, जो सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम में देखने को मिला, बहुत टीएमसी ने ऑलरेडी कह दिया है कि ऑर्गेनाइजर्स की गलती है, पर सवाल ये भी उठता है कि वहां जब मेसी स्टेडियम के अंदर आए, बहुत सारे पॉलिटिशियंस भी उनको घेर लिए थे, बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स वाले भी घेर लिए थे, सिक्योरिटी क्यों नहीं थी? ये सब सवाल अब सामने आ रही है।
देखिए, पश्चिम बंगाल में ये सरकार कोई एक चीज अच्छा ढंग से कर पा रहा है, और जब मुसीबत आ जाता है दूसरा के ऊपर सारे थोप देते हैं। कानून व्यवस्था देखने का जिम्मेदारी किसका है? ममता बनर्जी का। उन्होंने आधा रास्ता से वापस चला गया। उनको तो आधा रास्ता से वापस जाने का बाद घर पे जाके उनको त्यागपत्र दे देना चाहिए, कारण पश्चिम बंगाल का पुलिस मंत्री ममता बनर्जी है। हम मांग कर रहे हैं, जो इस घटना से कलकत्ता का, बंगाल का नाक कट गया, अंतर्जातिक स्तर में भी हमारा बदनाम हुआ इस राज्य का, और इसके लिए जिम्मेदार इस सरकार, और इसीलिए इसके निरपेक्ष तदंत का हम इन्वेस्टिगेशन का हम मांग कर रहे हैं। और साथ साथ जो लोग पैसा दे के टिकट काट के यहीं पर देखने के लिए आया और देख नहीं पाया, उन सबको टिकट का पैसा लौटाना चाहिए।
आप लोग भी यही मांग कर रहे हैं कि रिफंड दिया जाए सारे फैंस को. So viewers, that's what you heard. The BJP has to say that A, there was complete mismanagement. B, they're now demanding for a complete refund for all those who in fact gathered at the very stadium for this very event. Remember, the excitement, the fervor, the enthusiasm could be seen right outside the stadium since morning. And right now we have Riju Datta from the TMC also joining us to in fact put forward the TMC's stance. Mr. Datta, thank you for speaking to us at India Today. The TMC has already come out to say that it is the organizers who completely mismanaged the entire situation. Now, let us understand one thing. Kolkata has had events like this in the past. What went down wrong this time? Because the fans have to say that there were a couple of people from the government side as well who had completely surrounded the player, which is why also they couldn't see the player, the hero, who they went to catch a glimpse of.
Look, I don't know who from TMC is making what comments, but I, as the official spokesperson of the party, I will say this. First and foremost, our deepest, heartfelt apologies to every football lover of Bengal. Kolkata and Bengal is the Mecca of Indian football. Leo Messi is a legend, and people of Bengal, football lovers from Bengal, have bought tickets at a premium price to catch a glimpse of their beloved footballer. It was rather than doing this blame game and nonsense, Trinamool Congress puts his hands up and says, we apologize to the people, we apologize to Leo Messi for this mismanagement, and we already, the Chief Minister of West Bengal has constituted an inquiry committee under retired Justice Ashim Roy, including the Chief Secretary of West Bengal, and the people responsible for this mismanagement, the people responsible for this emotional trauma of the football lovers who could not catch
Mr. Datta, as you have come out to apologize as well to all the fans, I think that probably is the kind of sentiment, or rather that's probably the kind of response that the fans are expecting at this given point. They have demanded full refund, and we will leave it at that at this given point as to all the updates that's coming in from this entire chaotic episode that Kolkata witnessed right after Messi in fact entered the very stadium, and we are constantly bringing you all the latest updates.